astonished!
Afternoon, everyone. My name is Gia. Today I read this book. I can see. Page 17. I can see a doctor. Teacher. Page 18. I can see the doctor. Page 19. I can see a nurse. Page 20. I can see the firefighter. Page 21. I can see a police officer. Page 22. I can see the carpenter. Page 23. I can see the purple. Page 24. I can see a police. Pilot. Hello everyone, my name is Gia. Today I read this book called They Are Odd. Page 33. They are on bicycle. Page 34. They are in a wagon. Page 35. They are on a scooter. Page 36. They are in a car. Page 37. They are on a horse. Page 38. They are in a helicopter. Page 39. They are on a dinosaur. Page 40. They are in a spaceship.